At the age of 17, when my all friends did party, enjoying late nights, that time my best friend purchased an Harley Davidson. My all friends chased him, gave him congrats, celebrate. My friends would be thinking his parents were giving him that. But when I asked him, his answer blasted my head. He said, I purchased this Harley from my earnings. I was thinking, how is this possible? How you earned the money? I want to. Just think. Your best friend has suddenly purchased a Harley in his teenage, and when you ask him, he's telling all money comes from online. Obviously, there's highly chance that you would know his secret of earning. I asked to him with full of curiosity how he earned the money. He said, earning money online isn't hard, but people make it hard. I sighed. I did it. I failed. I learned. Finally, I earned. And he told me some of his way to earn money online, from where he get paid. By using that base, not a teenager, even anyone can get paid. But there are only 3 conditions to which if you don't follow, then it become hard to earn money online. We will discuss conditions in the last, but now we discuss the points. And the point number 1 is online freelancing. For doing freelancing, you should have a skill of anything like coding, designing, writing, or video editing. Always remember, your skills should be directly proportional to your client need. In my friend case, my friend had a medium level knowledge about web development, so he accept that type of client. But you can offer your skill and get paid for your work. I don't know a lot website on which you can do freelancing, but I know few like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, etc. You can create a profile showcasing your skill and start applying for work, and you can charge according to your work from the client. And point number 2, online surveys and market research. Tell me, are online surveys hard? No. Another easy way to make money online is by taking surveys and participating in market researches. Websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie pay you to share your opinion. I know it's not a lot of money, but it's a great way to earn a few extra bucks in your spare time. Plus, you can do it while watching TV or during a study break. It's a different matter that no one study. And point number 3, selling product online. If you are in crafty or have an entrepreneurial spirit, consider selling product online. You can sell things you no longer need on platforms like eBay, Depop, or Postmark. If you create handmade items like jewelry or customized clothing, then run on Etsy. It's perfect for crafty people. Another option is to use print-on-demand service like Redbubble or Teespring to sell your design without worrying about inventory. What you need to do, you find some trending things and take their picture and print them on anything, any cloth item, any bag, or even etc. And our next and best secret of this video is by creating content. If you enjoy creating content, why not monetize it? Start a YouTube channel, and YouTube is the one of the great source of directly earn money. You can earn money on YouTube by YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, or even brand deals, etc. And what is the condition? Condition is very simple. You need only 1000 subs and 4000 hours of watch time. You can get 1000 subs if you upload videos regularly. But most of the people confused in this, that how much is 4000 hours of watch time and how many views we need to complete this. But the calculation is very simple. Time in hours multiplied by number of viewers equal to watch time. If we take an example, let's suppose you made a 10-minute long video, and on that video you get 2-minute average view duration and 12,000 total views. Then calculation is very simple. 2 by 60 into 12,000 equal to watch time. We divide it by 60 because the average view duration in minute, and we take time in hours, so that's why we take 16 in dividend. And from here you have known that you have completed 400 watch time and you need 3600 more to go. In this first condition, you have a certain amount of view. But if we see the next condition, in which you want to find how many views you need to complete watch time, then what will happen? What would we do? We need to do the same thing that we applied in first condition. Now we will take 2 by 60 into views equal to 4000 hours of watch time. Then our views come equal to 120,000, and you need 120,000 views to complete watch time. Easy peasy. And what happens if you get 5 minutes of average view duration instead of 2 minutes, but views are still 12,000? Then 5 by 60 into 12,000 equal to watch time. Completed watch time equal to 1,000. 3,000 more to go. And now we wanna see how many views we need to complete 4,000 hours of watch time with 5 minutes of average view duration. Then 5 by 60 into views equal to 4,000. Then views come equal to 48,000. Now you can see the difference between first condition and second condition. Now you need only 48,000 total views to complete the watch time. And after completing this monetization criteria, you are able to earn money from YouTube, only from YouTube ad revenue. But now still you have a lot option to make money from YouTube. And our next secret is no. There's not any more secret in this video. Instead of secret, there is something that are more important than secrets. Conditions. Yes, and for now, we will discuss 3 major conditions which you should remember while earning money online by different sources. And first is consistency. You would be thinking, we have heard this million times that consistency matter. Do work with consistency. In anything, you should be consistent. But you would see this very luckily in your real life. Even this is reality that only 1% or lesser people in this world stay consistent for their goal. Before seeing my friend's success, but after watching his success, I understood that not 100%, but somewhere consistency plays a crucial role to achieve goals. Do you know what he said? In starting, I take everything as a fun. I wasn't thinking so much about money, but when I earned $20, then I became serious for it, and then I focused on it and did work wisely. And in second condition, you should improve yourself at least 1% with every single work. Let's suppose on Fiverr, you have got your first client of video editing. Obviously, that would be your first client, and they don't know about how do you do work, so they would not able to pay you high, but you need to make your edit better or improve your edit for your next work or client, because not doing improvement is same as not interested in anything. Let you think your mom served a delicious meal a day. You would think, wow, it's a delicious meal. But if your mom will serve that meal for straight 1 month and 3 times, you start getting bored with that meal. You feel bad whenever you'll eat that, then your that delicious meal will definitely become your worst meal. So like that meal, your client would getting bored with your same type of work. So always try to improve yourself and your work too, every time with every single work. And now we would check out the third condition. Be patient. This all takes my friends approx 4 to 5 months. Between of that time period, my friend faced a lot of challenges, but he stayed consistent. He tried to make himself 1% better with every single work or challenge, and stayed patient until he didn't achieve his goal. And after listening his story, I am interested in last point, content creation. So after completing this video, I will start uploading YouTube short on my second channel for next infinity days. And if you want that I share my success, my failure, or everything about that channel with you, then you should press the red button of subscribe. Will we meet in next video? Take care, you and your family.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.